Bon, ou ki de sorti avec bail, ça va John. Taga maman, mais yo, d'ici demain quand même, OK. Et là on met taga là. Non, et pas ça me ouais, et pas ça me dans la télévision. Oui, zo, ou te ouais ça. Blanc pas moyen. Quoi ça? Oh non.
Hello, you need some help?
What?
You say if you need some help.
Et nous besoin lettre. Non, no let.
You say if you need some help. Help.
No, brother, we don't need no milk. Okay, we need you to help me with this one.
Say if you need some blood clot help. You work at Walmart, me give customer service. You need help.
Non, service. Madame, c'est service téléphone. Non, blood, pas ça dit. Il dit on blood clot like hell. On blood clot, on besoin boire lait. You need to drink milk for the blood clot. Ma malade. Mais mais on
You say help. You say blood clot.
alors pas me le soumettre.
Let me do my work now.
Brother, you want problem? What's this? This mean problem? You want to fight or something, man?
What do you mean blood clot problem?
Brother, back up, brother. Okay, you need to calm down. Okay.
Yo, me keep
Il
the
travaille
Walmart
là.
job
He's
to care
working
me
it. Okay, understand.
You take
Okay.
the Walmart job
No,
to care me
no,
now.
but
Seven years
wait.
for help. Let me do my job.
Okay, I get that job.
Oh, maman, mais son job, oui.
He need a job. You want to help him?
Dis-moi, c'est son job. Dis-moi, c'est social.
Shut up.
Yo, me tell you say me a give a job, boy. Me look like manager. Me
Money?
say if you want help.
Okay, brother, we don't need milk. You keep asking for milk, brother. Do you
Me
know
just
we
a
look
blood clot.
like we look like
Boy.
serial to you, boy?
Où la prélé? Où ça la prélé
Why
là?
you keep yelling at us? We tell you we need help for the
Sorti là,
microwave.
sorti là,
And
mais.
that day I try to get help for the
Brother,
microwave. What you say?
brother, you need to take your blood, brother. Blood pressure. Let me help you. You eat that?
Get the blood clot.
Oh.
Me say if you want help.
Brother, your breath is thick, and you keep asking me for milk. You need the milk yourself because look at you.
Yo, mais c'est ma collègue là, c'est